Hello coder, welcome my channel Code for No Time. Today I show you how to create area in Visual Studio 2019. If you used Visual Studio 2017, that version you get a option to create area. But if you install Visual Studio latest version 2019, then you do not see any option to create area. So let's go to Visual Studio. This is my Visual Studio and check version Microsoft Visual Studio Professional 2019. So for create a area, go to project, click right button, add and new folder. The name should be areas, areas, and click right button on new create folder areas and go add and select areas and give the area name. Here I put the name admin and press add button. It takes some time. So you successfully create a area. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like it. Also don't forget to click bell icon button.